Did you know your Roku can stream IPTV channels? Unlock tons of entertainment with this step-by-step method. First, ensure your Roku is fully connected to the internet for a smooth setup process without interruptions at any point. Next, open the Roku home screen and go to the Streaming Channels option to find the Roku Channel Store. Search for M3U Playlist Player in the Channel Store. This app will enable you to play IPTV channels easily. Once found, add M3U Playlist Player to your Roku channels and wait for the installation to complete within seconds. After installation, open the M3U Playlist Player. Navigate through the welcoming setup menu and press Add New Playlist. Now, fetch your IPTV playlist URL. This link is essential for accessing diverse channel content directly on Roku. Copy the IPTV URL into the M3U Playlist Player, carefully checking for typos, and press Save. Once saved, your channels will be available to browse. Explore the options and find something new to enjoy. You're closer now to endless entertainment just like that. Your Roku becomes a true streaming powerhouse. For the best IPTV service, we recommend checking out 2tv.store for a reliable, quality experience. With 2tv.store, you're guaranteed top-notch service and endless entertainment options worth every penny. Consider investing in 2tv.store to maximize your IPTV enjoyment and elevate your viewing pleasure with less hassle. Remember, accessing IPTV through Roku is easy. Follow these steps and enhance your entertainment setup today. With Roku and 2tv.store, dive into a world of international channels, shows, and more, all at your fingertips. Don't wait. Transform your Roku and start streaming you've always dreamed of. Enjoy limitless possibilities today.